Okay, welcome to the new video. I wish you can enjoy it. Now, let's get started. Today we are talking about why bad things are easy to do and good things difficult to complete. At the first is the connection between instant result and your wish. In one hand, you want to get instant reward after doing something. However, the good habits reward after come out a long run. Therefore, you couldn't see any success. On the other hand, the bad habits, for example, playing PC, watching TV, and using alcohol, it makes your dopamine to increase. Moreover, you get instantly reward from it. So, you want to enjoy it, you want to continue it. Even more, you will go deeper than ever before. As a result, you will regret after doing too many bad things. It brings you a bad results. Therefore, you might be thinking about what should I do, how to improve good habits, and what is the techniques. Firstly, you need to write down instant reward after good things. Although it might be a little, but you can enjoy it. Second, don't stop. Keep it, continue it. Therefore, if it takes a long repeat, you can adapt it. At the last, maybe it will be skipped by a reason. Even though you might skip it one day, don't get twice it. You need to fill the gap as soon as possible to do it. If you want to learning more self-improvement, and like and subscribe, and see you next time.